Here is the breakfast. Salmon that I cured in salt myself. Fresh cucumbers from that plastic wrapped cucumber, salted, sprinkled with salt. Cream cheese that I kept sliced in plastic container. No mess. Grab and use. Salt cured pork belly that I'm gonna eat with radish mustard, horseradish mustard, and guacamole from fresh avocado and hot Mexican salsa, and watch for the recipe, it's coming. How to cure salmon. Really convenient, you don't have to fry it and wash fish smell from everything. Alright, here you go. Sprinkle it with a little bit of macadamia oil here and here, and some limes.